This video is brought to you by my favorite doggy sock set.
Hi everybody, you begin on the side of your pole and you want to be facing your pole with a decent amount of distance. I want to say arm's distance away from the pole. You will be jumping into the pole. Be careful with your sensitive areas. You really want the belly to be on the pole as you pull yourself to it. If you're new to this concept, then I recommend just familiarizing yourself with bringing your belly to your pole, opening the legs out to the side and around and clacking in front of the pole. Let me show you what that looks like from the side. So you're squeezing your elbows together, pulling down through the lats and the biceps, shoulders down and open and back. And we want to think about opening the legs to the side. So I don't want to see this like to the front necessarily. I want to see open out to the side and straight for a clack. You will notice that if you place your belly, nothing can happen to your sensitive areas. But if you don't know what you're doing and you just ram this thing, boom, you might hit your pubic bone against this thing, not to mention anything else you might have. You can really hurt yourself. So please, belly contact first. Once you become more comfortable with doing it in this position already close to the pole, then you can start creating more distance from the pole, and this will look a little bit more impressive. So you can jump up if you want to. You can stay at your height with your heels. It's up to you. Clack. And we're gonna learn how to shoot the legs back next. So once you do your clack, or once you bring your feet together, you want to think about bringing your heels to your butt, like this, both heels to your butt, and then you want to think about kicking back. So from this position, I'm bringing my heels to my butt, kicking back. That heel to butt kicking back motion is going to propel me backwards. And the more you shoot the legs back, the more impressive it's going to look. Once you land in your squat position, now it's a matter of, please tell me if you're liking this intermediate series or if you prefer more beginner-friendly stuff. Now it's a matter of releasing the outside arm so that you can face your audience. Your inside leg, you're gonna bring your toe box to the floor. So you might turn a little bit outwards to bring the pivot point of your shoe down. And now you're going to turn into the pole as if you're doing a pirouette. The majority of my weight is on this outside leg as I pivot. I go under my own inside armpit as if I want to smell myself, and I go for it. I'm going to spank the pole in the booty and use this outside arm in this position, face down, thumb down, to spank the pole in the butt and push to help me spin. Boom. Top arm is going to flip. I'm going to place the top of my wrist on the pole so that as I keep rotating, I can regrip, and now I'm in this position. You have an option. You can keep spinning or you can stand up here. It's up to you what you want to do. Previously in one of my little choreos, I kept turning so that I could bring my butt to the camera for this type of little action here. Tag me if you try this today. But it's up to you. So many things you can do from there. Play on, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.